Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can use Freshdesk. The first thing you want to do is just simply click on link down below the description to get on this site. When you will do it, then click sign up on the top right, or go to pricing and click a free trial of what you want to actually try. Start free trial. I will add here my first name, last name, email, my company and my phone number, and I will click sign up for free. Now just wait until everything loads. And first we got the introduction video of the CEO. You can skip it or you can watch it, it's completely up to you. And let's click get started. When you're gonna be here, you can first update your account details with your first name, last name, email, phone number and stone. As a company, you can activate your account. So I'm not going to do that yet, only because you know what to do. You will get email, you get notification on your email, and you can simply resend like activation if it doesn't come. Personalize your help desk. You can also change the logo background, menu background, or change the logo. And then choose your support channels, like what kind of channels you're gonna have. Let's say that you want to have also phone and chat, and you can simply update it. Set up your support email here. You can simply add and have your support email. See what your support will look like with Freshdesk. Link your support mailbox without disturbing your existing support workflow to receive a copy of all your emails in your help desk. So that's what you can do. And then you can invite team members. Let's say that you want to invite someone who's going to solve the tickets. So to go further, first you're going to see dashboard. In dashboard, you're going to see unresolved, overdue, due today, open tickets, on hold tickets, or unassigned tickets. Then you're going to see the today's trends, like how it's rising. And the next one are tickets. Here you're going to see also unresolved, customer satisfaction, and average first response time received, and to do on the right bottom. Then you're going to see tickets. And in tickets, you're going to see all the tickets that you can need to solve, that you're going to connect like Facebook and everything. So, well, first I want to show you, you can export your tickets. You can have a card view or a table view. Completely up to you. Then you can sort it by on the top left, date created, new time, last notified, priority, status. You can also click here and on the left top, my open and pending tickets, my overdue tickets, open tickets in my groups, urgent and high priority tickets. And now you have like views here, all unresolved, new and my open tickets, tickets I raised, tickets I'm watching, right? On the right side, you're gonna see filters that you can add, like which agent you want to filter. Groups for sales, product management, created when, resolution due by, overdue today, tomorrow, next 8 hours, next 4 hours, first response due by, today, tomorrow again, skill, none, status, open, pending, resolve, close. So I can click resolve and no tickets here, open. I see that these are open. It needs to be solved, closed, etc. Priority. So let's say I want to see only high and open, I'm going to see one. And you can really easily switch and categorize everything. Source and type, if it's a question, if it's an incident. Source, email, forum, Twitter, Facebook. Again, you can categorize by this way, tags and companies and contacts. So when we have it, let's go and cancel our search here. I can simply click on whatever ticket I have here. Also, when you would go on the top right, you can click new and you can create your new ticket, new mail, new contact, new company. After we finish the tickets, we will get to this. So I'm going to click on a new ticket here. And now we see. So we can reply to this ticket. Hi there, I need a refund for the headphones. I can reply, I can add a note, or I can forward to someone else. Also, I can close it, I can merge it, I can delete it or more. Log time, edit ticket details, print or spam. So I can simply reply. Glad to hear I'm going to solve your problem. And you can edit also the text here. If you want, you can attach a file, etc. Or you can even send it to someone else. So send and set as pending, send and set as resolved. You can as closed. You can really choose what is going to happen when you're going to send the reply. Waiting for the third party, waiting on customer, and pending, right? So I send it, and right now I change the status from open to pending. Really simple. Then you can also add a tags here, and also priority and group. If it's escalation, I can even change the group to someone else. Like let's say that I would forward it to different group, to my colleague that he's going to solve the problem. On the right side, you're gonna see the details of the contact. So Matt Rogers, I see that he was like ordering something. How can I get a refund for my order? And then just beneath it, it's time logs. You can also set time tracking, time you spend on the ticket, and to do, like let's say, what do you need to do on this ticket? So let's say I need to ask my colleague how to, I don't know, do something with the ticket, right? Then on the right side, you're gonna see time logs, and then you can see to-do list here. These are the two things on the right side, and contact details. Now, you can go back here and see again all the tickets. What you can do is to go to new, and you can go new ticket, and I can simply add a contact and add a ticket by myself, and who is going to solve everything here. First, I can also add a new email. So when you hit send, the contact will receive an email and a ticket will be associated with them. Again, to someone, subject, description, priority, closed, tags. Again, I can add a new contact here. Full name, title, at least one of the fields is mandatory. Email address, work phone, company, address, time zone, language, tags, and about. And you can simply create a new contact. Then you can also, you can add a new company here. Same style, new company, you add a description, you add a notes, domains for this company, health score, account year, renewal date, industry. Account year, basic, premium, enterprise, renewal date, and industry. So this is how you can add new ticket, how you can add a new email, new contact, and company. When you would do it, you can go click here to contacts, and you would see all the contacts here that you are going to create. So when you're going to create a new contact, you're going to see the contact right here. Again, you can change the filters of time zone, tags, and companies. I can simply click on my contact and I can see, okay, what was this contact about? Today, how much time does it take to get my money back? Urgent. So I need to solve this ASAP. I can add a note and forums, June offer. And you can click on new ticket here directly on the contact, right? And right now we got a new ticket. It's automatically added the contact here. Subject, type, question, incident, problem, group, agent, and I can add a description why it needs to be solved. So this is where you're gonna find contacts. Then you're gonna see companies here. I have one company here. 8, status closed. You can edit the company, you can create new companies. Then you're gonna see solutions here, category, and you can simply add a new article. And let's say these are like my solutions, how to solve something. So these are like user guides for the agents. So when there is going to get a new order, which is going to happen, this, what you need to do. And the person, this is wonderful because the agent, or if you are the agent, you don't have to actually ask how to do something. You read it in the solutions. And you just search this article and like, okay, I need to do this, I need to do this. I know how to actually work with it. So this is how the Freshdesk works. It's wonderful. Then I like FAQ here, right? getting started. These are like folders. So I can do and go solutions, new article. Oh, how to solve orders. What you need to do is to be calm and ready. And I would just add like long list of also, like you can really choose with order list and play around how much as you want. Templates, you can even choose that, insert template, like FAQ or how to template. See, so you see how to solve orders, and I can do it based on this. Then you got folder, FAQ, getting started, or you can create a new folder, add for name orders, description. This is a folder for orders. Choose the category, general, visible to all users, orders, articles, alphabetical, or like manually. Save. And voila, we got a new folder. And so this is pretty much it. You can save it. And now I would come to solutions, and this will be my draft, and I can simply like edit then and use it with tickets. So this is really great what you can actually do. And now you can see right here, when you would click on a ticket, you can go on right below and you can canned responses, or you can go suggested solutions, and the solution is right now in draft, but right now you would see the right here, canned responses, type seen, reply to. And you can see we receive your requests. Thank you for reaching out. I can also easily insert canned response, and voila, this is how you can do it. You can also, what you can do is to create a new canned response, and you can create canned response here, and response title is going to be, hey guys, you know what, I'm going to change your email. Give me a second so I can do the activation here. Oh, I still didn't get it. So we are going to continue in the tutorial. So activation send, I still didn't get it. So we are going to continue. When you would click here, let me show you where we were with the contacts, with the tickets. And I'm going to click on a ticket, and I'm going to reply. I can simply end response. Let's create a new. And right here, create new canned response, response title. And I can add farewell. Thank you for messaging us. Hope you will achieve what you desire. Hope we solved your problem. Have a great day. Available for myself, all agents in group. Click save. Now we receive your requests, and now I would go to the tickets. I would simply click on John, reply, and I can simply canned response, farewell, and bam. Thank you for messaging us. Hope you solve your problem. Have a great day. And as you can see, this works amazing. Now we can go also to Chatbots and create a chatbot right now. And you can play around with Chatbots, what is going to answer. Hello, sorry, what can I help you with? And you can edit it again configure, and you see the answers here. So you can really play around with it too. I'll connect expert, what's your name, and you will get the necessary information from him, and you can also add a new version or unpublish it. So this is how it works, and this is how you can play around it. What I recommend is definitely check the competition, how they have it, test it out, and make it similar. It's going to work flawlessly then for you. It's just my recommendation. Oh, I wanted to make a video about straight up how you can use it. But yeah, let's go to reports and ticket volume trends. You can see all the reports of activities as agent performance, group performance, performance distribution, timesheet summary, ticket life cycle, top customer analysis, satisfaction survey, and admin here. So this is how we can pretty much do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. You can edit all the settings here. You can edit with email, portals, chat, and you can connect like Facebook. You can add a Facebook here, help desk, ticket fields. And this is pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.